Today it is a Women's Day.
Friday.
How many are prepared to celebrate the Women's Day? How many people are going to celebrate Women's Day? But tell the woman next to you that woman, be a woman. Don't move out of your position. We thank God for the message we have. Our administrator, may the Lord bless you. Our pastors have spoken to us. May the Lord bless you. They are preparing us as women. Whenever you move out of your position, there are things you miss. Because there are things that come for that position. There are things that come prepared for that position. So whenever you get rid of other things, you want to intervene in other positions. They shall bring your things when you're not around. So tell your neighbor, keep your position. Maybe they do not understand. Tell them, be a woman. There is a blessing that comes for the woman. It finds you when you are out of woman and anything else. You become a woman. They showed us a woman who was in the glory. Whatever thing he wanted, she could get it. But she failed to understand she was a woman. Being a witch doesn't take away that. Being with money doesn't take away that. Being educated doesn't take away that. So when he saw that he's so much honor, she was put the crown of that witches, and she felt pride inside of her. Now you feel like you graduated beyond your husband. You have a job that is beyond your husband or the money. Let not that thing make you out of your position. Remain that you are. There is a bearing that God created in the woman. There are norms that God created you into. God created you to be obedient. You have to be an obedient vessel. So whenever you become hard, just like iron bar, you shall become an iron bar. They put you in the concrete. The softness of the chain, it's a power. As they are cancelling another king, as this one also from the poor family. So even a husband, God created you from someone. Let every person be in his own position. The blessing of God shall flow as it comes. They called this one because she was beautiful. So the husband want to be pleased in that. The husband got married to the wife who was educated to be pleased. She got you when you're beautiful, so that when she calls you, there is a smile. So it means when this one was called, she said, I shall not go. They just called me just like that. She didn't know she was missing. Think about it. If someone has disobeyed, when God has looked at it anywhere, do you think you appear well? When you're just angry like that, so keep your position. Tell your neighbor, be in your position. A woman, you have to be a flower. You will say that there's no verse that says that a woman is a flower. When man lacked peace and happiness, he looked around, nothing could make him happy. God wanted to make something that would make him happy. He wanted to make a